What if I told you that in America, a single phone call can turn into a profitable business opportunity? Some roadside service businesses earn thousands of dollars every month by helping drivers when they need it most. Every day, millions of people drive across the United States. But unexpected problems happen all the time. A flat tire, a dead battery, locked keys inside the car, or a vehicle that simply won't start can leave drivers stranded. That's where roadside assistance comes in. With just one phone call, a trained technician arrives in a fully equipped service van. They can replace a flat tire, install a new battery, unlock a car, or perform minor repairs that get the vehicle back on the road within minutes. The best part is that many of these businesses don't need a traditional shop. They operate directly from service vehicles, saving money on rent while providing fast, convenient help to customers. As demand grows, many roadside assistance companies build loyal customer bases and expand their services. While earnings vary depending on location, demand, pricing, and operating costs, successful businesses can generate substantial monthly revenue. That's why roadside assistance has become one of America's most valuable and fast-growing service businesses. If you enjoy discovering unique American business ideas, subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.